I said, that's meditation. That's an active meditation for you. And he's like, yeah, because after I get done doing it, whether I win or lose, I feel so much better. All the other things that were worrying and stressing me melt away.
I don't know. I want to hone in on that just a little bit more. But when we talk
Hmm.
about active versus still meditation, is
Hmm.
active meditation when you focus on the breath, or when you're focusing on a thought or something?
I mean, active meditation is anything. Like a still mind meditation is where you are closing off the senses to your outer body
Mhm.
and moving the attention within. The conscious mind is what I mean by still mind, stilling the conscious mind from all the thoughts that are going in, because conscious mind is aggressive, the subconscious mind is receptive. There's two halves to a whole. And so the better we can do at stilling the conscious mind, then the easier it is for the subconscious mind thoughts to flow in. You can have a whole bunch of intuitive thoughts waiting, but until you still or at least give it a moment of stillness, it's not going to get through. And so that's what I mean by still mind meditation. Meditation designed to still the conscious mind so you can receive and connect with and unify the subconscious and superconscious. Now, active meditation, I mean, that could be anything. LeBron James, I'm sure basketball is a meditation for him. I had one guy, he wasn't like a mentee or anything, and he was like, the way you describe that, I get that feeling when I'm doing my RC cars. So he gets like these $10,000 RC cars and goes and races them on these big tracks. And he's like, I'm so scatterbrained, but when I'm driving my RC cars, I just the whole world just melts away, and it's just me in the car, and I'm connected there. I said, that's meditation. That's an active meditation for you. And he's like, yeah, because after I get done doing it, whether I win or lose, I feel so much better. All the other things that were worrying and stressing me melt away. Active meditation could be doing the laundry, could turn into a meditation for somebody all of a sudden. Looking at the blue sky. Go to the park and lay down and just look at the blue sky. That's an activity for you to do that will bring you back to your center. Breathing exercises are active meditations. But another one is take a deep breath in and pull all of the energy within my body down to my abdomen. And then when I breathe out, move the energy up out the top of my head. That's active meditation that you can do. Earth's gravitational pull is pulling your energy down. That's why a lot of people are so sex driven and things, because their energy is continually being isolated into their loins, into their root chakra, and their energy's kind of stuck there. And so another active meditation you can do is consciously and using your willpower and your attention. And because energy moves off of intention, so just your imagination, imagining it alone will have an effect until you can learn to perceive energy within your body. But just imagine the energy from the base of your spine moving up to the top of your spine. This energy flowing in this surge going up my spine. That's a great active meditation that'll also help elevate your energy.
Do you actually feel more energized after you do this? I know there's a
Oh
practice
yeah.
called, Kriya Yoga, where they
Mhm.
talk about it's a form of pranayama where you use your breath as the muscle tension to pull that energy up. When you do this, do you feel that kundalini rising? Do you feel the activation in your pineal? Do you feel your crown chakra opening? What's going on here?
It's going to be different for each person, and it's probably going to be different every time, depending on what's going on with your energy and your energy centers. Each individual was going to naturally have more energy centers that are more active than others, more energy centers that have more energy flowing through them and can flow through more easily than others. And depending on where you're at in any given part of the day, it's going to be fluctuate also for each individual. Just once you start working with the energy in your body, it'll become easier and easier to perceive the subtle differences in energy, and it'll be easier to perceive where the more concentrated energy is, where the energy is flowing, where has it gone to. It's different for different people, different strokes for different folks. Work with yourself, understand yourself, and understand how your energy flows, where you need to have more energy flowing to, and just practice and work with it and become more adept at your own energy flow.
You were talking about using your imagination to start with
Mhm.
feeling energy, but are there any other practices that an individual can use that might be more tangible in the form of feeling their energy for the first time?
Concentration. Attention. Like for example, well, just for example, right now, close your eyes and just scan your body and see if you can feel, where do you feel more energy in your body right now?
Personally, I can feel the energy